Cathie Wood of ARK Invest has updated her Bitcoin price prediction. She now thinks Bitcoin is going to $1.5 million, with Bitcoin, BTC 0.69%, turning in its best January performance since 2013. It's no surprise that analysts are ratcheting up their price targets for this suddenly hot crypto. Bitcoin was up nearly 40% in January, and that has led to a completely revised outlook for just how high this crypto could fly in coming years. Cathie Wood of ARK Invest, known for her previously controversial $1 million price target for Bitcoin, has just ratcheted up her Bitcoin price prediction. She now thinks Bitcoin could skyrocket to $1.48 million by 2030. According to Wood, the case for Bitcoin at these stratospheric levels is really a story of enormous growth on a global scale. Over time, the story goes, Bitcoin will account for a larger and larger share of global assets held by institutions. It will continue to scale globally as more nations accept it as legal tender and as more people use Bitcoin to carry out online transactions. This story gets more interesting when ARK Invest lays out the specific numbers behind its assumptions. ARK Invest suggests there will be 8 primary market segments: egg, emerging market currency, and remittance asset, where Bitcoin will see growth. Based on estimates about the penetration rate for Bitcoin in each of those markets, it is possible to develop a bearish, a base case, and a bullish scenario for Bitcoin's price. How fast can Bitcoin grow? So, for example, ARK Invest suggests that Bitcoin could account for up to 10% of the M2 money supply of emerging market countries. Thus far, there are only 2 nations that have adopted Bitcoin as legal tender: El Salvador and the Central African Republic. So this seems a bit optimistic. According to some economists, nations that struggle with hyperinflation or devalued currencies could decide to embrace Bitcoin. ARK Invest also suggests that Bitcoin could capture 25% of the remittance asset market and 50% of the digital gold market. So imagine 1 in 4 migrants around the world sending money back to family and loved ones in the form of Bitcoin, and 1 in 2 central banks around the world deciding to build their Bitcoin reserves instead of their physical gold reserves. In addition, ARK Invest suggests that Bitcoin will soon account for 6.5% of institutional investor portfolio holdings. All of these numbers are aggressive, but not entirely unthinkable. It really depends on how you view global growth and how much faith you have in fiat currency. From my perspective, the base case estimates provided by ARK Invest make a lot more sense than the bullish case numbers. For example, in a base case scenario, Bitcoin will only account for 3% of the M2 money supply of emerging market countries, and Bitcoin will only account for 2.5% of institutional investor portfolios. The problem here is that even ARK Invest acknowledges that these base case assumptions only support a future price of $682,800 for Bitcoin, well below the pie-in-the-sky figure of $1.48 million. Moreover, it's helpful to stress test these assumptions about Bitcoin against current asset values in global markets. Given that Bitcoin has a fixed coin supply of 21 million, a target price of $1.48 million implies a total market capitalization of $31 trillion. Just how big of a number is that? Well, the total value of the world's physical gold supply is estimated to be worth about $12 trillion. So Bitcoin would be worth more than 2.5x all the gold in the world today. Moreover, the total value of the S&P 500 is approximately $32 trillion. So Bitcoin would be worth almost the same as the 500 largest publicly traded companies in America today. For that reason, I don't think $1.48 million is a reasonable price target for Bitcoin. Even a $1 million price target seems to be a bit of wishful thinking on the part of the Bitcoin bulls. That would imply a market cap of $21 trillion, which is nearly 10x the current market cap of Apple. Would you rather own all the Bitcoin in the world or all the equity in 10 different Apple corporations? ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood's Bitcoin price prediction is $1 million. While $ISM hits $6.5 million, ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood has a long-standing prediction that Bitcoin could reach $1 million by 2030. Recently, she has backed up her prediction, scooping up $19.9 million of crypto stock, Block. In a conversation with Bloomberg in November 2022, Wood backed up her claims that Bitcoin could reach $1 million. She highlighted Bitcoin's strong performance despite challenging market conditions and said institutions might be more comfortable buying once they learn what is actually going on with Bitcoin. Laying a stake to the claims, ARK Invest has recently acquired $19.9 million of block shares. ARK acquired 305,573 block shares between 7 to 8 June amid block trading at a discounted rate from its 2021 Q1-Q3 price. Block, founded by former Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey and Jim McKelvey in 2009, is an American multinational technology conglomerate. It primarily provides payment services with a distinct interest in cryptocurrency and blockchain. ARK's latest purchase comes just days after purchasing $21.6 million of Coinbase's share coin. The purchase was made on 6 June, one day after Coin's share price plummeted following the SEC's allegations of Coinbase selling unregistered securities. Cathie Wood is not the only high-profile individual to provide a $1 million Bitcoin price prediction. Entrepreneur and former Coinbase Chief Technical Officer Balaji Srinivasan also eyes the $1 million mark for Bitcoin. Balaji issued a wager in March, predicting the collapse of the U.S. economy and for Bitcoin to reach $1 million within 90 days. Although he has already closed his bet, losing $1 million in the process, Balaji remains optimistic that Bitcoin will eventually reach $1 million. What other coins are analysts bullish on? Despite turbulent market conditions, some newer pre-sale cryptocurrencies have enjoyed tremendous success. Crypto analyst Jacob Berry recently highlighted the Wall Street meme's crypto presale to have 10x potential after recently raising $6 million in its presale. The project was also picked up by My Financial Friend recently, who called it the biggest new crypto coming to the market. Another crypto which analysts are bullish on is iDoge. Having recently completed its presale, the token is moving towards an exchange listing on 19 June, with a price pump upon launch expected. Wall Street Memes presale hits $6.5 million with token backed to be the next big meme coin. Wall Street Memes has proven immensely popular since its launch less than 3 weeks ago, with over $6.5 million already raised. This is mainly because it was started by a brand with a thriving community of over 1 million social media followers. $WSM is a meme coin inspired by the Wall Street Bets Reddit group and aims to tokenize the movement. Essentially, Wall Street Memes aims to enable the everyday investor to get rich off useless meme coins. The exciting thing about Wall Street Memes is that its team has already launched a successful crypto project, showing they have the expertise to generate hype and raise capital. In 2021, the Wall Street Memes team launched an NFT collection, Wallst Bowls, which sold out in just over 30 minutes, raising $2.5 million for the team. Today, the project has a total trading volume of 1,865 ETH. The Wall Street Memes Twitter account has also received numerous engagements from Elon Musk. For a meme coin, this adds tremendous value since Musk played a significant role in Dogecoin's multi-billion-dollar valuation. $WSM is currently available at $0.283, with the price set to incrementally increase throughout its presale until its last round, which is priced at $0.337. iDoge IEO imminent after $14.9 million presale with total disregard for the bear market. iDoge recently smashed its presale hard cap of $14,900,000 in just 2 months. iDoge was quickly popularized as the hottest presale since it is a meme coin, which leverages AI technology to provide value to holders. Essentially, iDoge is an AI-powered meme generation platform where users can create memes with simple text-based prompts. The platform will save users time and enable them to create relevant, high-quality memes since the AI algorithm is trained on a vast dataset, including the latest crypto news. Users require credits to create memes with iDoge. They can purchase them directly with $I or stake $I and receive credits passively. Either way, platform users must buy $I, which could help boost its long-term price potential. Although the presale is sold out, investors can still purchase the token for a fixed price on the iDoge platform. The current price is $0.336, the same as its exchange listing price. Other earlier presale meme coins like Tamadoge have exploded following their initial exchange offering, IEO. so Doge could have lots of potential following its launch. While I'm long-term bullish on Bitcoin, I also think it's important to have a sense of scale here. If Warren Buffett thinks the value of all the Bitcoin in the world isn't even $25, and Cathie Wood thinks the value of all the Bitcoin in the world is $31 trillion, a rational person would say that the real value of Bitcoin is somewhere in the middle. I'm bullish that Bitcoin will eventually regain its $1 trillion market cap. I just think it will take longer than some people think.